YouTube, hello, what's going on? Welcome back. Remember, always safe distancing to stay safe. I just placed the green tag on some of our final or finished products. This is our plastic injection molding facility. We have over 14 machines. In this particular building, we have 4. We have from 850 tons down to 600 tons. I will show you guys around a little bit. And we are in our Gomez Palacio Durango facility. Let's walk around. This is part of our finished product. It's gonna be ready to be packed. Over here we have an 800-ton machine, which is on standby. And we're ready to load one of your molds and run some of your parts. We can load a mold that can weigh up to 6 tons, and it's about 40 by 40 inches, pretty much the size of the biggest mold we can load here. Over here we have Luis. Hello, Luis. He's running some boxes. We work for the poultry industry, so we have to have a very clean and organized environment. As you can see, we have this plant in Gomez Palacio Durango, which is actually my mom's hometown. So my grandparents used to live here. And this is also my padrino's plant, which is my partner. So I have a family, I have friends, I have my padrino here. We work in a very, very comfortable environment, and we want you to be part of this environment, part of our team. We want to be your partners in Mexico. And let's get some of these parts shipped over to the United States or wherever you guys need them. We have some raw material here. We have the vacuum system to load the machines with the raw material. This one over here is pretty much empty right now. This is a Belken 800-ton machine. Right there is Jorge. Hello. And over here is Daniel. He's running the Belken 850-ton machine. He's also running some boxes. So hey guys, it was a pleasure doing this video. I hope you got the right idea of the stuff we can do. We believe we can be a very strong partner and a very strong source for some of your components. We can design the molds, we can fabricate the molds, and we can do the actual plastic injection of the parts. We're gonna go to another building where we have some more equipment that we want you guys to look at. Don't forget to give us a like on this video. Don't forget to think about Animar Industries when looking into your plastic injection molding requirements. Thanks for watching.